They should have been in court, but instead they were bringing Britain's criminal justice system to a halt right outside the place where its laws are made. Lawyers and campaigners pressing the government to change its plans to cut the legal aid budget by several $100 million. Paddy Hill endured one of the biggest miscarriages of justice of the 20th century, enduring more than 16 years in prison after being wrongly convicted of being involved in an IRA bombing.
It will mean a lot more miscarriages of justice. This is going to give the police and the Crime Prosecution Service a clear field when you go into court, because the people who be representing you haven't got a clue about how the system works.
Protesters claim that the cuts will create a two-tier legal system: those who can afford to pay for advice and representation and those who can't. Britain's legal system has been held up as one of the best in the world and copied many times over. But lawyers here say that reputation is under threat because of these cuts. A Ministry of Justice spokesperson told us that the UK's legal aid system costs just over $3 billion a year. It is one of the most expensive in the world and had to be reduced. Lawyers at the protest told us, though, that jobs could go and the criminal justice system will be affected.
Solicitors' firms are going to go to the wall within a matter of months, not in years' time, straight away. And when that happens, there's going to be advice deserts in the rural areas and there's going to be advice vacuums in the cities.
This is becoming an increasingly bitter row. In the end, it could be those who won't be able to get any legal advice in the future who stand to lose out the most. Emma Hayward, Al Jazeera, London.